Chia seeds are a powerhouse of health benefits. They not only improve your immune system but are also great for the beauty of your hair and skin. Let's understand why chia seeds are good for your hair and skin. We will also focus on how to use chia seeds to improve your skin and hair. Our skin and hair require nourishment from inside and outside the body to stay healthy and young. Chia seeds can provide those nourishing minerals and vitamins. It contains the following nutrients which are key to good skin and hair health. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that reduces wrinkles and protects from premature aging of the skin. Omega-3 in chia seeds increases collagen to improve texture and appearance of the skin. Proteins in chia seeds provide moisture and improve keratin, a hair protein to make your hair look lustrous. And minerals magnesium and zinc improve your skin health. It reduces roughness and inflammation to become smooth and radiant. Let's look at 2 effective ways to use chia seeds for your skin and hair. You can apply the following chia seeds pack on your skin. Grind 4 tablespoons of chia seeds into fine powder. Add 1 cup of water and let it soak for 30 minutes. Chia seed powder will swell in the water and become a thick paste. Apply this paste on your face, neck, hands and other exposed body parts and let it stay for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Do it daily to make and retain a smooth, glowing, healthy skin. You can apply the same paste with the following little variation on your hair. Make the thick paste as above and add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and mix well. Apply the mix on your hair from the roots to the ends of all the hair strands. Let it stay there for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with mild herbal shampoo. Do it once every week to maintain healthy, shiny hair. In addition to external application, eat different recipes of chia seeds to keep your skin and hair smooth and glowing. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.